Been a really enjoyable afternoon here. Really grateful for you showing us round and meeting the young people who come along and seeing how that's helping them flourish as well and getting them on a real good path, and as well as educating them and bringing things out of the shell a bit, helps them to nurture them along a bit more. And yeah, really fantastic. I did come in November last year, and how things have progressed since then. It's really fulfilling.
Yeah, well, thank you for the funding. It's been amazing. It's helped us build relationships, it's helped us test and trial stuff with groups of children, and a lot of them have gone on to do other things like college, or going back to pupil referral units, or some of them are going to continue here in the future. But it's also built us relationships with local authorities, schools, who I think we're going to have a waiting list for next term, so that's
not a bad thing, is it? That's not a bad thing to have people waiting to come in to use it, and it just goes to show how hard you and the rest of the team have been working here to get it off the ground. That's really the purpose of the Innovate to Grow Fund, is there to like sort of small seeds to help things grow and get explore other avenues for other funding and try and get somewhere where you're more sustainable as well.
Well, exactly, and I think, you know, with the local authority paying for the kids to come here, that's going to help us be so much more sustainable, and we're already discussing payment plans with them and things. But no, it's been amazing to get our name out there, and it's been so heartwarming to see the growth of the kids that are coming and the young people that are coming here, and we really hope you will stay in touch, because we look forward to seeing
That's what I think. This is the thing, isn't it, with kids sometimes have a bit of a bad name with antisocial behaviour, and there could be all sorts of things going on at home or with peer pressure and that sort of thing. But to come somewhere like Agri-cation, it helps sort of break that route or and help them get someone a more positive direction.
Well, we have a saying with the kids here that every minute of every day is a new opportunity, and regardless of what's just happened or what happened last week, you can still change and you can still be a better person, and we take everybody at face value, and we work with each person individually because everybody's different, but we provide nurture, opportunity, and it's what they want to do. The young person we were just talking to wanted to learn how to cook, so we've done a lot of cooking. We're hopefully providing and talking about better nutrition, which has really changed their outlook and how they are, without the cans of energy drink and everything, with a good breakfast in them and everything else. They're much calmer and able to engage more. It takes time, and I think that's the message out there. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and patience and care, but honestly, the development we've seen over the last year has been phenomenal.
That's brilliant to me. Brilliant to me. Thanks again for the visit.
That's all right. Thank you for coming.
Very welcome.